Void opposite a guarded king. Here we go, loser on loser play. Another fun play technique that I did quite a few regional mini lessons on. It's one you have to see it unfold, sort of like the in play. It's part of that family. Okay, so loser on loser play. Here we go. West is in 6 hearts, and North leads out the Queen of Spades. All right. So we're counting losers. Dummy actually has 2, 4, 6 hearts, and West has 5 hearts. So let's count our losers from East hand, okay, because that's the long trump hand. All right, so we have no spade losers. We have no heart losers once we look to West for the King Jack of Hearts. Ooh, diamonds. Yeah, diamonds are a problem. We have 3 losers in diamonds, but one of them is taken care of by the Ace of Diamonds cover card. And then we have 2 remaining diamonds. And we can eliminate one of those losers through the finesse. But then we still have another loser, right? And we're in 6 hearts. So we got a lot of problems. So let's call it 2 potential losers in diamonds for right now. And then we have the Ace King of Clubs and 2 little clubs, but we can eliminate those through trumping with West trump, right? We can play the Ace of Clubs, the King of Clubs, and then trump our 2 club losers over here. So I would say we have no club losers once we eliminate the 5-4 clubs through trumping. So diamonds is our issue suit. We got a whole big issue suit. And the 2 of diamonds is going to be our issue card. And we get the Queen of Spades lead. Now this one is interesting because we could ruff the spade, right? We could trump the spade because we have no spade losers. But what if we took what we call a finesse? Anytime, and this, how you recognize this is when you have a king or a king queen opposite a void, you take a ruffing finesse. Okay, so Queen of Spades lead, we're interpreting it. We know that South has the Ace of Spades, right? Because versus a suit contract, we don't underlead aces. We don't lead low from aces. All right, so we know if we discard, South will win the Ace of Spades because they, you know, if they don't win it now, they're not going to get it because we're going to rough it out. So if it goes Queen of Spades and we discard our issue card and South wins the Ace of Spades, look what we have. We've created an extra cover card in the dummy or in our hand, in the servant hand, in the non-master hand, for our second issue card. Here we actually had 2 issue cards, right? The 2, 3 of diamonds were our 2 issue cards. If we trump out the spade, then we have to take the diamond finesse. But if we take what we call a loser on loser, we discard one of our issue cards, the 2 of diamonds, on South's ace that we know is going to happen. We know South's going to win the ace if we discard. That's the loser on loser. When we do that, we create the extra cover card, the King of Spades, to discard the second loser. So yeah, we lose a spade that we didn't have to lose, but in losing that spade, we eliminate 2 losers, right? So we lose 1 trick, that's the Ace of Spades, and get rid of two losers. It's a great 2 for 1, right? Great 2 for 1. 2 losers for 1 loser on 1 loser, and that's the loser on loser play. If you trump it out, now you just have to take a diamond finesse, and it either works or it doesn't. This is 100% play, by the way, versus finesse, which is 50%.